Today we are going to practice a very natural and interesting office conversation. So relax, listen carefully and practice speaking with confidence. Let's start. Hey, you finally came? I thought you were going to be late again today. I almost was. The traffic was terrible this morning. That's the problem with city life. Every morning feels like a race. Exactly. I left home early, but still got stuck on the road for nearly an hour. That sounds exhausting already. Honestly, I need a coffee before I even start working. Same here. Without coffee, I can't survive office life. True. So did the manager say anything about yesterday's meeting? Yeah, actually he liked our presentation. Really? That's great news. But he also wants a few changes before we send it to the client. More work again. Welcome to office life. Seriously, sometimes I feel like work never ends. I know, we finish one task and immediately another one appears. Exactly, but honestly working with a good team makes things easier. That's true. At least our team is friendly and supportive. By the way, are you joining us for lunch today? Of course, I heard everyone is ordering pizza. Food is honestly the best part of office life. And salary day, obviously. So, what's your plan after office today? Nothing special. I just want to go home, relax and sleep early. Same here. These days I feel tired all the time. You really need a break. I know, maybe I should take a short vacation next month. That's actually a good idea. Everyone needs some time to recharge. Otherwise, work becomes too stressful. Exactly, work is important. But mental peace is important too. Absolutely. Anyway, let's finish today's work first. Yes, one step at a time. Alright, let's get back to work. Before the manager sees us talking too much. Good idea. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Practice this sentence daily to improve your English fluency and confidence naturally. Keep learning with Learn English consistently. See you in the next video.